Hello, this is Abdullah Muhammad from CircuitVerse site, and this will be a tutorial on how the subcircuit operates on the site. Here I have my simulator opened, and over here the main circuit is the active circuit right now. I'm going to make a very simple circuit. This is the button, a digital LED, and output. Okay, I'm going to connect three elements together. Okay, this is my circuit, very simple, just a button controlling a LED. Whenever I click on the button, the LED goes on for just a second and then goes off again. Now I'm going to make a new circuit. From up here, the circuit button, the drop down menu, click new circuit plus, call it circuit 2, press OK. Now you can see that circuit 2 over here, this tab is the open tab, which means that circuit 2 is the active circuit. Now in order to insert another circuit as a subcircuit, from up there again, the circuit drop down menu, insert subcircuit. Here I only have the main circuit, so I'm going to check it on and insert subcircuit. Now this circuit here represents the main circuit over here, and this output node represents the result of the circuit itself. Now this isn't very declarative. This is a black box, but I can't see anything inside. I can't control it from the outside. So in order to make it more user friendly and give it more features, many updates were added to the subcircuit. And over here, I went back to the main menu again. In order to change how the main circuit looks as a subcircuit inside subcircuit 2, I'm going to enter the layout mode of the main circuit. Over here in main circuit, scroll down to edit layout. Now inside here I'm into editing layout mode for the main circuit. On the right side I can increase the width of my subcircuit, and also increase the height of the subcircuit. Of course, check or uncheck the title to be shown. On the left sidebar here I have a list of all the elements that are allowed to be shown on the surface of the subcircuit. Remember, we had a digital LED and a button. Now if I click on the digital LED over here, I can drag the LED across the screen, but I'm only allowed to put it within the borders of the subcircuit. If I placed it outside, it goes over here, but if I put it inside the subcircuit, same thing for button. Okay. Now if I clicked on button, for example, here I can see a property menu for a button or for any element, for the LED for example. I can here give it a label, LED 1, and check on this here to make show label. Same thing for button, call it button 1, and check on the showing the label, and of course this is the label direction to change it from left up, down, or right. Then hit save. Now over here in circuit 2, I can see the layout of the main subcircuit itself. It has changed. Its dimensions increased, and now the elements, its elements are shown on the outside, allowing for some kind of a control panel of the subcircuit itself. If I clicked on the button over here, this button controls the LED. Same thing inside the subcircuit. If I clicked on this button 1, I can see that the lid is also turned on. So this allows the user to have a control panel of the elements inside the circuit from the outside, and this will be very helpful and will open the gate for many applications and many features. Now, of course, this isn't only for LEDs and small and just some elements. You can have your any kind of LED, of course, except for the matrix. Any kind of segment display, you can have it on the outside and control it too. You can have a counter or a random on the outside to see how if your counter controls and you want to keep track of the counting, you can have your counter on the outside of the subcircuit and see its value when it changes. And this is mainly the main features of the subcircuit, and that's it.